luxury high-rise penthouse condominium in the heart of Ocean View with stunning views of the Chesapeake Bay. Directly bay-front west, 2 large balconies. This end unit offers some of the best vantage points of a beach. Features include an airy, open floor plan allowing the large living area to flow seamlessly into the updated, eat-in kitchen with white cabinetry, stone countertops and stainless steel appliances. A more private flex space is available on first level, perfect for den, office, or added FF bedroom. Upstairs, find 2 sizable bedrooms, west shared hall bath and a spacious primary suite, west walk-in closet, ensuite bath, and sliding glass door balcony, access to panoramic views of beach and Chesapeake Bay. Other notable attributes: custom wood flooring, main level laundry, newer zoned HVAC system. Condo fee includes 24/7 security, master building ins, water, sewer, trash, pool, exercise room, and ground main. No pets or rentals permitted.